Hi Dachan, this is my installation of your solar charger. The unit is installed on this aluminum pad. This is the cable, as you have suggested, is 6 AVG, and this is the external load. It's small because I draw a little current from this output, and this is the multi-cable for the measurement of the cell balance. Okay, this is the battery. Connected to the battery there is 8 old system for the old monitoring system based to Wi-Fi. I maintain this because could be a solution, a temporary solution for the monitoring, and I do this little circuit to interface the battery to the multi-cable with 8 fuse, 2 amp fuse, but it's only for security reason I put this so for safety. And this is the cable, is silicon isolated wire, good, very nice, and colored as your manual. And this is the inverter, is without the cover because I do some test in this time. And below there is the connection to the battery coming from this cable. This is the is fused, but it is only used as a shut system for disconnect the power in case of work on the unit, but is never take off this. And this is the shunt resistor used for measure the current in this 2 utilization. I now use only one utilization, is this is connected to the inverter. Okay, this is the solar array coming from here, and this is for disconnect the solar, and from this part goes inside your unit. The problem that I described to you via email is the solution was only simple. I forget to strengthen this connection. This is the path. This is the path for battery. It's very important, as you asked me to check this path for internal resistance. In fact, I found this these tools is not strength enough. Okay. Now I thank you, Dacian, for your suggestion, and ciao from Fabrizio from Italy.